This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, September 23rd. The United States Coast Guard has released some aerial assessment footage after Grand Turk was struck by Hurricane Fiona on Tuesday. Though nothing catastrophic occurred at the island, the end of the cruise pier at the Grand Turk Cruise Port was damaged, as well as minor damage to the local bar Jack Shack. Other areas around the island show minor flooding and downed power lines. The island is currently in the process of restoring power and internet. The first cruise ship scheduled to return to Grand Turk is Carnival Sunrise next Tuesday, though at the time of broadcast, Carnival has not made an official decision whether they'll call there or not. And Norwegian Getaway is the next cruise ship to change itineraries over Hurricane Fiona. Instead of sailing a 5-night Bermuda cruise, the NCL ship has pivoted to a Canada-New England sailing. Overnight, the storm brushed the coast of Bermuda, leaving nearly 10,000 people without power. Hurricane warnings have been posted all the way up into Canada now, including the cruise port of Halifax. And to the south, Tropical Depression 9 is expected to become a tropical storm later today that could impact itineraries next week, including Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Florida. And finally, passengers sailing on Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Splendor can now call themselves time travelers, well, sort of. En route across the Pacific from Seattle to Australia, the vessel crossed the international Dateline, skipping from Wednesday straight into Friday this week. Already, guests have visited 4 ports in Hawaii and are set to soon arrive to 2 destinations in the Fiji Islands. Carnival Splendor will arrive in Sydney, Australia on September 30th and will be Carnival Cruise Line's first cruise ship to resume operations in Australia in almost 1,000 days. And then in November, Carnival Luminosa will join Splendor in Australia, beginning a season of sailings from Brisbane. And cruise line stocks were mostly flat on Thursday. Carnival Corporation 9.64, Royal Caribbean 47.00, and Norwegian 14.39. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Here in Jacksonville, Florida, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Be safe out there.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.